price is more than a number. It is a powerful message sent directly to your customer. This message speaks of quality. This message speaks of value. This message speaks of the identity of your brand itself. When a customer considers a purchase, the price tag is not merely a cost to be paid. It is a primary piece of information they use to understand what you are offering. A thoughtfully chosen price can guide a customer toward a confident decision, making their choice feel easy and right. Conversely, a price that is misaligned with your product can create confusion. It can erode trust. It can ultimately drive potential buyers away from your business. Understanding this fundamental principle is the first step toward mastering your pricing strategy. Before you can set a price, you must have a clear and defined goal. Who are you trying to sell to? What specific problem does your product solve for them? What is the true value? Is it functional? What is the true value? Is it emotional? Once you have concrete answers to these questions, you can begin to use price not as a passive label, but as an active tool. A powerful tool is anchoring. Start by showing a higher price first. This becomes an anchor, influencing perception of value. For example, a single expensive dish on a menu makes other entrees seem more affordable. Equally powerful is charm pricing. Ending prices in 99 works because we read left to right, making $19.99 feel much cheaper than $20. The decoy effect adds a third, less attractive option to make your target product look like a clear winner. Imagine a small popcorn for $3 and a large for $7. Add a medium decoy for $6.50. Suddenly, the large is an obvious bargain. This works for service packages or gym memberships. The decoy isn't meant to sell, it frames the choice, helping customers decide confidently. The price you set sends a strong signal about the quality of your product. This is the principle of perceived value. In the absence of other information, customers often use price as a mental shortcut to judge quality. A very high price can suggest exclusivity, superior craftsmanship, premium ingredients. Conversely, an unusually low price can trigger suspicion. What's wrong with it? Is this too good to be true? Underpricing a genuinely high-quality product can be a grave mistake. It can damage trust and devalue your brand. Your pricing must be consistent with the brand image you wish to cultivate. If you're building a luxury brand known for exceptional quality and service, your prices should reflect that. Consistently low prices, frequent deep discounts send a conflicting message that confuses customers and undermines aspirational status. If your brand is built on everyday value and affordability, use charm prices, bundle deals, and clear discounts to reinforce that promise. Inconsistency between price and brand promise is a recipe for failure. It must be a deliberate strategy. Treat prices as living tools. Test, measure, and optimize over time. You don't need a massive budget to start. Start with small, simple tests. Change the price of one item. Introduce a decoy option for a popular product. Reframe a subscription from monthly to a daily cost. Carefully watch sales data for a defined period, a week or a month. These experiments teach you what customers truly value and how they respond to pricing structures. Good pricing isn't about tricking people. It's about ethically, effectively communicating value to help customers choose. It builds trust and encourages loyalty. First step, take a critical look at one key product. Ask yourself, what is my price really saying about this product? Rethink your pricing. You're not just setting a price, you're shaping behavior.